Alright, so here we are in our room for a few nights, thank goodness. No more switching rooms. It smells so good, right babe?
Yeah. It smells just like
the rooms are so nice. They're just, oh, we even got a plate. Look at this.
Oh,
come on in. Look at these cookies. Nice little view of the...
There's strawberries? Oh
yeah,
gosh.
look at that. Whoa.
That is super cute.
That is super cute. What was that, some kind of package you got?
It was called Margaritaville Perks.
So what'd you get? We got 2 free drinks.
We got 2 complimentary drinks, and then we got, we could either have a meat and cheese platter, or we could get this, they called it the flip-flop something, so.
Explain real quick, because I know you're going to say something on the video about why you're so sweaty.
I'm dying.
Okay, so we checked in a couple hours ago.
We checked in a few hours ago. We've been out by the pool, and then we had to go get all of our luggage and then bring it up. It's 92 outside. It's 52 at home. I just talked to my mom. It's 52 at home, so that's what we're used to.
Oh, man. It's awesome.
Yeah.
A little hot. But anyway, so we got 2 free drinks, this little platter, $50 thing, free breakfast.
We get free breakfast for every morning.
And what's it
here.
a night? 100 and something?
148 a night. Because we're Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So we didn't take a weekend. The weekends were weekends were 448 a night, but weekday was 148 a night. So we planned it so we were here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Works out perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
and a $50 resort credit.
So do a weekday if you can. You're definitely going to get the best deal. Weekend is spendy, but it's still great. So here's the pool. This is a small pool, and you can see nobody's out here. The other pool that we were in that I showed, that's where all the bar and stuff is. This is very few people, so you pretty much have the pool to yourself. But if you want more of the party pool, you're definitely going to be over where we were. That's where the bar is and all that kind of stuff, and they have all the music playing here. It's very quiet, more like an adult pool. But yeah, it's if you're looking for peace and quiet, that's your place. Nice little deck that we won't hang out on because it's way too hot.
We're like, oh, we can't wait to see the sun. We need sun, and now we're here. We're like, it's too hot.
I don't need the sun. Take me home.
No.
I'm just kidding. All right, so let's see. Bath, shower, sink, nice. Toilet.
And I have my margarita jacket. Probably I'll never wear it because it's long sleeve and a jacket.
Put it on right now and go out.
But I got this here last time with my resort credit. So
hey,
now
babe,
I get to go in the shop.
Go outside and put it on.
No.
I want that sandal.
I love that they made sand.
I'll give you the sandal, yeah, so it's actually pretty cool. All right, tell them the story of this baby powder.
So I have a couple of bottles of this at home. I just randomly grabbed one for the trip, just in case we needed it. And then I realized it says Beaches Royal Plantation on it. That's where we went on our honeymoon. So this little bottle here is 20 years old. Maybe not today, but maybe tomorrow or the next day.
It's celebrating its 20th anniversary as well.
Exactly, it came all the way with us. And it's probably gone on most of our vacations with us. It's empty now, almost empty.
We're finally saying goodbye to the baby powder.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Goodness gracious.
Don't care what they say. I've been working too hard lately. Feel like I'm going crazy. I need some time in the surface. And I say on and on. 'Cause there you go again, my baby. Your eyes illuminate me. Just wanna be by your side. Take me away.
We are heading to dinner at Ford's Garage. Are we going down this one?
I think we go this way.
And the cool thing about Margaritaville is everything, this is all built brand new. They built around everything. So there's like a movie theater, restaurants, shopping, all this right in this area, Kissimmee, which is really close to Disney. So this is just kind of, Kissimmee is a very busy city, but this part is everything's brand new. They got a water park. If you look up, what is it, H2O or something?
H2O Live.
H2O Live. We've never been there. Well, we're gonna do it on this trip, but we just had too many other things going on. So looks like a nice water park, but the point is it's all here. And so the neat part is you can park don't have to pay. Well, you might pay a nightly fee.
Yeah, I think there's a nightly fee.
But you don't have to valet or anything like that because you don't need your car. The point is you can walk less than half a mile and you're right in the downtown district where all of the restaurants and bars, shopping, all of it is. Other good thing too is it's all gated. Or at least they have security at each entrance. So the only people that can get through here are guests, which is nice. So you don't have to worry about your cars and what have you. So, all right, good morning. Today is moving day. Moving to another resort. Last few nights here at the Margaritaville were excellent. This is just a great resort. Service is great. Seem to be doing something right. The pools are really nice. The rooms are nice. You have this all brand new shopping development and what have you down here. So just a nice place close to Disney. You're only about a 15-minute drive to the main gates. So it's just one of the nicer places we've stayed in Orlando. We've stayed at quite a few different hotels and resorts. We're heading over to the Royal Pacific Resort tonight. We'll show you how that goes. And hopefully one of the last few nights that we have to switch because this is getting ridiculous. See you soon.